Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of the Almighty. We are also well. In the previous class, we discussed verbs to be and their various forms. In today's class, we will discuss another item from your first paper. The item is cloze test with cloze. This is a new item for you. You did not study this item at your SSC level. At first, I would like to make you understand what a cloze test is. A cloze test is one kind of test in which a text is given and students are asked to fill in the blanks in the text with words. The words are provided in the box. If the words are provided in the box, it is cloze test with cloze. If there are no words as cloze in the box, this is cloze test without cloze. Our today's topic is cloze test with cloze. So, now we will discuss our today's text, and there are some instruction in the board. The instruction is read the text and fill in each blank with a suitable word from the box. There are more words than needed. Make any grammatical change if necessary. I think all of you have understood the instruction, and as it is a cloze test with cloze, there are some words provided in the box. There are 12 words. The words are have, able, properly, need, health, fact, light, live, importance, changes, solve, and be. There are 12 words, but in the text we will find that there are 10 blanks, and if we fill in the blanks with the words from the box, we need not use 2 words from the box. There are 2 words more than necessary in the box. Now let's try to understand the text. Education is one of the basic blank of a human being. It is blank for the development of mind. Many people do not blank any knowledge of health. If they blank educated, they would live a blank and planned life. Education teaches us how to blank well. It blank us to make right choices in life. It enhances our ability to perform our duties blank and face everyday problems. And the last sentence is in blank, it is education which brings positive blank in our life. Dear students, I think you have understood the most of the words in the text. There are 2 or 3 unknown words One is enhances. Enhances. The word enhances is a verb. It means increase. The base form is enhance. Enhance means increase. Perform our duties. Perform means do or carry out our duties. I think and the rest of the words in the text are known to you. Now we will make a solution of the text. The first blank is education is one of the basic of a human being. And what word will be used in the blank? Look at the box. First word have, second one able, properly, need, help. And what will be the word? Education is one of the have, one of the basic have, one of the basic able, one of the basic properly. These three words are not related to this blank. So the related word will be need. So we will use in number A need. And as a cloze test is a test which depends on various form of words, so we have to consider the words in various form when we will write the answer. So let us go to number A again. Education is one of the basic of a human being, one of the basic need. We know basic needs. There are some needs which are called basic needs. So we have to use the plural form of need. The plural form of need is needs. Need is used both as a verb and a noun. Here the word need is a noun, and we have used the plural form of the word needs because one of the basic needs, because after one of we use the plural form of noun. One of the needs, one of the basic needs. We can set more examples. One of the students, one of the flowers, one of the books. These are the examples. So now there is one point that we have used here the word need, and it is in the plural form because after one of we have to use the noun in plural form. And second sentence, it is for development of mind. We have used the first word need, so I have used a tick mark for my understanding or for your understanding which words have been used. And second blank is it is for the development of mind. It is blank. Which word will be used in the blank? Have, it is not appropriate. Able, it is not appropriate. Properly, it is not appropriate. Health, it is not appropriate. Fact, it is not appropriate. Light is also not appropriate here. Live, it is not appropriate here. Importance, it is importance for the development of mind. Importance, the word will be used here, but in which form can you tell me? Importance, noun form or adjective form? This is a noun form, but in the blank the word will be used as an adjective form. So the word will be important. The answer will be important. So what will be the answer? It will be changed into important. It is important for the development of mind. Not it is importance for the development of mind. I think you have understood the point. The word is in the noun form in the box, but we have to use the word in its adjective form. Adjective form is important. So we have used the word important. Many people do not blank any knowledge of health. Dear students, you can see there is a verb do not, and you can undoubtedly understand that after do not we have to use a verb in base form. There are some words in the box which will be used as verb. Now I am starting from the right side. B, it is not appropriate here. Do not solve any knowledge, this is also not appropriate. Changes not appropriate. Do not leave any knowledge, this is not appropriate. Do not light, this is also noun and verb, but here light is not appropriate. Fact is not appropriate. Health is not appropriate. Properly is not appropriate. Able is not appropriate. The first word, this is appropriate. Many people do not any knowledge of health. Many people do not have. The word will not be changed into another form because have is a base form. Many people do not. There is an auxiliary verb do not, and the base form of the verb have is have. So we have used here have. I think the students, you have also understood this point. We have answered 3 blanks, and the number 4 is if they educated, they would live and plant life. There are 2 blanks in the sentences, in this sentence, and look at the structure of the sentence. This is a conditional sentence. If they educated, they would live and plant life. There is a hint or point about the structure of the sentence, would live. This is an example of the sentence is an example of conditional sentence. So we have to think about its answer. This is an example from second conditional. So there is would live. So what will be the answer? The answer in the number D will be in the past form. So what will be the answer? If they educated, if we use an auxiliary verb that is be, so what will be the answer? There will be 2 answers probably. If they are educated and if they were educated. There are 2 probable answers, but we have to think about the second clause, would live. This is indicate past conditional. So we have to use here past form of the be verb. The past form of the be verb is was and were. As the subject is they, we have to use here were. So we have used were. So what will be the answer? If they were educated, they would live and plant life. This is a past conditional, so we have used here were. I think, dear students, you have understood the point. And the second answer of this sentence is they would live there is a point or clue to understand the second answer. They would live and plant life. Plant life. Life noun and plant is here used as an adjective form. So we can understand that in the blank an adjective will be used. So what will be the adjective form? Able adjective, but this is not appropriate. Properly adverb form, but we can use here proper as an adjective form. Health, this is a noun, but we can use health as an adjective form. So there are two options. We can use they would live a proper and planned life. And another one is healthy and planned life. So what will be the answer? Proper and planned life or healthy and planned life? I think you will speak in favor of healthy. So what will be the answer? If they were educated, they would live a healthy and planned life. Planned life, that is the life which has been planned. And another adjective here is healthy. So we have used the word health, but in the answer we have used the word in an adjective form, that is we have used the word healthy in the blank to fill in the blanks, because there is an indication planned life, planned adjective and life noun. There also be an adjective. We would live a healthy life and planned life. So we have used healthy life. Next, what about the properly? This will not be used here because we have used here healthy. It is also possible for some students to use proper and planned life. But if we use here proper, another blank will remain unanswered. So we have used here healthy. And next number, education teaches us how to well. How to means the way or process. And after how to, we normally use a verb. So there is an indication that in the blank F, we have to use a word in its verb form. So what will be the answer? Properly, this is not verb. Fact, this is not verb. Light, it is noun and verb. Live, this is verb. In another sense, live, this is not verb. Changes, this is noun, but if we use change, this is verb. Solve, this is also verb. So education teaches us how to solve well, this is not appropriate. How to change well, this is not also appropriate. How to live well, how to lie well, this is not appropriate. How to live well, this is appropriate. So our answer will be live. Because after how to, we normally use a verb. So education teaches us how to live well. Answer will be live. And after to, we use verb in the base form in most cases. And next blank, it us to make right choices in life. There is also an indication to make right choices in life. To and verb make base form. So this is also possible. How to live well, to and verb base form, live well. So next number G, it us to make right choices in life. You have clearly seen that here it is subject, and after the subject we have to use a verb. So what will be the verb? Change, it is not possible. It changes us. No, it is not possible. It solves us to make right choices in life. This is also not possible. And fact, this is not verb. Properly, this is not verb. Able, this is adjective. But we can use the word as a verb form. That is enable. Able means to become able, and able means to have the ability to do something, and enable means to make somebody able. To make somebody able, that is to make somebody fit for do anything. So in the number G, it has to make right choices in life. It able is adjective, but enable is verb. After the subject it, we have to use the verb enable. And another point is that it, here it singular verb and third person, so we have to use s after the verb. It enables us to make right choices in life. And next number, it enhances our ability to perform our duties. Enhance means increase. It enhances our ability to perform our duties and face everyday problems. And I am telling you to focus your special attention on the blank ace. If we do not use any word in blank number ace, the sentence does not have any problem to convey us a meaning. It enhances our ability to perform our duties and face everyday problems if we do not use any word in the blank. But regarding cloze test, we should remember that we have to fill in all the blanks with words, and in that case, that is, in which cases we will see this type of blanks, we normally use a word that will be in an adverb form. That is, in this type of sentences, with this type of blanks, we use an adverb to fill in the blanks. So, what will be the adverb form? Solve, this is verb, this is verb, fact, light, no adverb. There is only one adverb, properly, and the answer will be here properly. It enhances our ability to perform our duties properly and face everyday problems. In this type of blanks, we use normally an adverb. So, properly is an adverb. There is no problem if the word is in adjective form, proper. We need to use properly in that case also. So, what is the answer? It enables us to make right choices in life. It enhances our ability to perform our duties properly and face everyday problems. And number I, in and next blank, in changes, solve, fact, we have used properly. In fact, we know the phrase in fact. In fact means actually or in real sense. In fact. So, it is very easy to understand. In and blank, there will be fact, in fact means actually. In fact, it is education which brings positive in our life. Which brings positive, there is an adjective, and after adjective in this type of sentences we normally use noun in singular form or plural form. But here you can say there is a noun, light. This will not be positive light in our life. This is not appropriate. Positive changes. This is appropriate. So we have used here changes. So what will be the answer? In fact, it is education which brings positive changes in our life. positive changes, not negative changes, positive changes. And you can see there are two words left which have not been used in answering the clues test. The word, one word is salt and another word is light. So this is all about our this clues test, and I repeat it for your better understanding. Number A needs basic need, not basic needs, basic needs, because one of, after one of we use noun in plural form. And second blank, it is importance, not importance, it is important, it is important for the development of mind, adjective form. Many people do not, here is do not, and after do not we use a verb in base form. Many people do not have any knowledge of health. If they educated, they would live a blank and plant life. If they were, because the next clause indicates that the first clause, that is if clause, will be in the past form. After they we use are in present tense, but the sentence refers to past tense, so we have used here were. And they would live a plant life, adjective plant, and life noun. There is also be an adjective. This is healthy and plant life. Healthy, health noun, and adjective is healthy. And next blank, education teaches us how to, after to, or how to we use verb in the base form, how to live well. It, subject singular, and the verb will enables, able noun, adjective form, ability noun form, and enable verb form. So it enable, and as the subject is third person singular number, we have used as. It enables us, that means it makes us able to make right choices in life. It enhances our ability to perform our duties and face everyday problems. In one sense, there is no need to fill in the blanks with any word, but in clues test, we must use a word. And in this type of sentences, we normally use an adverb form. So, there is an adverb that is properly, we have used properly. And last sentence, in fact. In fact is a phrase. So here we have used fact. And the last blank, it is education which brings positive changes in our life. And there are two words which remain left in the clues test. I think, dear students, you have understood all the points. Actually, a clues test deals with only one thing. The passage is dependent on one item or one idea. The passage is dependent on the idea of education. And in filling a clues test, we have to consider many items of English language. I think, dear students, you have understood all the points. And today my discussion is up to this. I again thank you for attending class. Be careful about your health. See you again. Thank you.